Now I want to talk about the process involved in 3D scanning. First, a picture is taken of the object using the web camera. Then a laser is switched on and a second picture is taken. The differences between the two pictures is then recorded. This is called a laser trace and is a profile of the object. With the known position of the camera and the known position of the laser, we can calculate the known position of the laser trace in a 3D coordinate system. The stepper then moves the plate to rotate the object being scanned. Once a complete rotation has been completed, a point cloud representation of the object is then created.
Go.
Now I'm going to talk about the laser trace. The laser scanner works very similar to a barcode scanner. Because the laser is at a specific frequency, it can easily identify new material in the picture. This frequency gives off a specific voltage associated with it. The program then turns the analog signal, the frequency, into a digital signal, data. The resolution can also be defined electronically. So the resolution in volts is Q, and that equals E to the FSR. And FSR stands for full scale voltage range, and that can be figured out by taking the upper extreme voltage minus the lower extreme voltage, and that's divided by 2 to the M, and M is usually the resolution in bits. Once the data is collected, the distance formula is used to calculate the location in the 3D plane. And this is the distance formula. It's just x squared, or x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared plus z2 minus z1 squared, and the square root of all that. Just a side note, something interesting I found. Green lasers work better than red lasers because cameras are more sensitive to green because they have a shorter wavelength.
Go.
All right, so another thing that I want to touch on is the print cloud. And pretty much what a print cloud is, it uses the still images from the camera and the coordinate system that's already been dictated by the laser and combines those two things together in order to pretty much create a bunch of points that come together, and exactly like it sounds, it's a cloud. And pretty much it makes a 3D image in which is then converted from that print cloud to a polygon mesh, in which the polygon mesh is a little bit easier for a 3D printer to actually render and print. So that print cloud is converted to that polygon mesh, and then after the polygon mesh is all set up, really what it is a bunch of little triangles that make a shape, and then it's converted into an STL file from there, and it's uploaded into the 3D printer.